Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, today we are here to unbox Boris.
Welcome lovelies, an amazing unboxing of these beauties.
Well, we're missing our little furry friend.
I know, it was so very cold this morning that he was so cozy up in the bed and all huddled.
Ladies,
he pushes
all
all the
funny.
pillows off and then he finds a little hole and I just didn't have the heart to pull him down.
I'll go there at like 1 o'clock sometimes and she'll say, he hasn't been out of bed yet. He hasn't even been out to pee. And I'm like, it's afternoon. How is this possible? This dog is hilarious. He just sits there and...
Oh my goodness, he is so funny.
Little babe.
He's so particular. I took a picture of him this morning because I did take him out this morning at 8 and he knows when I put my boots on and I put my coat on.
That you're going?
He came to the top of the stairs and then he just, here's the picture, lovelies. He looks down and then I say, come, we're going walkies. And then he just stands there and I have to stamp my feet and say, we are going, come on, I'm gonna get you. And then slowly he puts one foot down and then one paw.
He doesn't want to go out in the snow?
Once he's out, he likes it, but it's the getting out that is a very big hurdle for him.
He's a little old man.
It's true. Yet he's got this thick fur coat on, and once he's out, he puts the snout in the snow and he's good, but yeah.
Frolics a little.
Frolics.
Oh, what a cutie. But I do miss him. I love petting him.
I know you do.
Yes, we have a Boris unboxing that we're very excited for. It's like the perfect time of the year, the season of this drop. These are pieces that you can have in your wardrobe all year, which is wonderful.
Yeah.
We love that, right? I mean, it's about, you know, less is more, right?
Less is more, simplifying, yet feeling amazing
and what you're wearing. And speaking of, ladies, look at how much out of the box I am today.
Wow, how springy is this?
I know.
You're looking like this beautiful tropical bird.
Do I?
Yes.
I feel the color radiating here and I'm just like, it's so bright.
Oh, you've got a whole...
It's so bright.
But
I love it. It looks fabulous.
It looks fabulous.
I love it. And this is the dress, ladies, from Ozai.
This is a Lousje and Bean boxy top, by the way.
We have a few left in this color.
Do we?
Yeah. Just a few.
Oh, it's a lovely French
And look at the new majestic. Matches it perfectly.
Perfect.
And then I got on this beautiful scarf.
Beautiful.
For some color and warmth.
Yeah.
But this dress, ladies, this is amazing. And this is actually army green stitching that we dropped a few weeks ago. But look at it, picks it up.
I know.
And it looked like it looks...
Oh, Sanko.
This is such a great
swordwear.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
so
that was
beautiful.
a great top too.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah, really good. Yeah,
really
such great outfits.
Right.
Yeah, beautiful. And you, should we talk about you now?
Well, Mama gets a turn.
I have to start just subconsciously coming into the video and like.
It's okay.
We're all.
I've been used to it for 40. How old are you now? No, of course, when you were tiny little, you were not like this, but
46.
I guess because your brother doted on you, you were doted on. You were. You admit it. Oh, she admits it. Wow.
I think that's why I say me and my mom always, right, Lena?
Always.
Me and my mom.
Lena probably goes like this when you are talking, because you know what's gonna come, Lena. But anyway. I have, so lovelies, I have Semois leggings, cut loose walking skirt, which we only have a few of.
Yeah, we still have some though, ladies, just a few of each color, but I know a lot of women
This is a nice color,
the
blue. And then this lovely one size fits all.
Yeah, these were the ones that just came after. Look at, have you noticed? This is a new one.
Oh, no, I have not
I dropped these last week.
Oh my goodness.
Just this in black and navy with a great, great little, isn't it wonderful?
Yeah, it's lovely. It feels amazing on, and the fabric, of course, is wonderful.
Wonderful.
Oh, great with these big slits.
Sorry, I have to point out too, we got more of these in, and this is the Maps scarf of Canada
Is that
from
what it
Sydney,
is?
from Love's Pure Light. We had these before, and I remember we had to keep restocking them, and she's brought them back.
Smart
and,
Sydney. Because this is a beauty. This is a
Beautiful.
must for everyone.
It's a great
A
one.
basic in your wardrobe,
Lots
right?
of great color. Yeah, beautiful.
Lots.
So, like subtle, right? That goes with
Yeah.
everything. Siriglio.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Siriglio. And
Beautiful.
that's it.
You look great.
Yeah, thank you.
Fabulous.
Okay, let's get on.
Okay, all right, we're doing the Boris. So we have some great outfits here. We're gonna mix them up for you tomorrow and style them, the two of us. We are very excited to do that. So I don't know if I should start with accessories or clothing first.
Clothing.
Clothing. Okay. Well, first of all, we have an amazing new basic that is gonna come. Some legging. We love our leggings, as you know.
Yeah.
And we love to layer our leggings. Look at this, is a beautiful bluey purple with a black stripe. Wonderful legging from Boris. It has like a little tiny peach fuzz in there almost.
Yeah.
They are a nice weight.
Oh, yeah.
They're not like, 100% just winter. These are definitely a 3-season legging. They're beautiful. So we
Beautiful.
have the gorgeous stripe, which is very subtle. And then we have plain black, which is great. Again, just great basics. Like I said, we love our leggings. We actually have to make some Lousje and Bean leggings.
Soon.
I know, we have to top up our basics.
Right.
And then here, they're classic gray and
Gray
black
and black.
stripe, which is, it's so beautiful. This is just such a go-to, and you'll have it forever. These are 3 classic.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
pieces.
sure.
So we have, this is quite fun. So in the gray, we have a beautiful sort of artsy, boxy top.
Oh, I so adore that.
Yeah,
I can't tell you.
I know.
It's so beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
So this is the same stripe as the legging. Yeah.
Exactly.
The
So
color.
we're going to style that up for you, break it up with a little black mini skirt, and you have like the best outfit
Yeah.
ever.
Yeah.
So it's got all this stitching. It's the serging done on the outside. So it gives it that texture and artsy feel. Also on the sleeve too. Super
Yeah,
cool.
bring it back.
It's also that nice light, and this will be amazing all year long. I mean,
Right.
even in the
Totally.
summer, well, in the evenings when you just want a little
Yeah.
cover, it's going to be
yeah.
perfect.
Oh, yeah.
With jeans, with a long tank dress. Like
Yeah.
there's so many possibilities. But we'll show you tomorrow. And ladies, just so you know, Boris does their tags on the outside.
Always.
Some women have called and they're wearing it inside out. Or they've said, people always say,
They made a mistake.
yeah, they made a mistake and they sewed it on the wrong. No, this is their style. So
This is
they have it on the outside.
their
You'll-
little quinky dink.
You'll have people saying to you all the time, oh,
Your tag is
your
showing.
tag is showing. That's the beauty of it. That's the
Yeah.
beauty of the brand. So they also did it in a classic black and white.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Oh,
I could wear this over
oh
this dress.
Tessa, totally.
There's so many
Totally.
possibilities.
And I could wear this over this skirt with this skirt. Look
Yeah.
how nice that is.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah.
All your Grisa's dresses, your bubble dresses, ladies, this
Yes.
is like the perfect piece to put over
Totally.
it. So that is that classic little sweater, perfect
Beautiful.
little in between. And then this piece is really fun. This is a skirt.
I am
As you know,
really interested.
We
in this.
always love our skirts.
This is beautiful. It's a little A-line
Yeah,
with all the exposed seams.
yeah. So all in the back as well.
And the knit similar
There's-
to our waistband.
Yeah, there's a pocket
I
here.
love that.
Very fun.
Yeah.
And again, the tag in the back. So
and
that
Tessa,
is.
talk about the sizing of Boris.
So these are free size. The leggings are 1 to 4, I believe. So me and Lousje would be in the size 1.
Right.
Beautiful fitting, lots of stretch, lots of room. This guy though is fitting a bit snugger, so
Yeah.
you might want to size up for sure. And what I find is it is very higher waisted, but it's meant to bring
Roll.
the band down, roll the
Yeah.
band down. So you
Right.
you roll that and it gives it that look. So
Yeah.
that's how you're going to wear it. I'll style it
Totally.
up for you tomorrow because I'm claiming dibs on this
Of
one.
course she does. That's okay.
Of course she does.
It's okay.
It's so cute how she just, of course she does. But anyways, yeah, so this is a beauty. So again, with these little tops, amazing.
Amazing.
Amazing. And this was a cute find too. And this is a super light
Oh.
and stretchy fabric.
Oh, geez. Yeah.
And it's like a slip. So we have it
Oh, yes.
as a slip.
Because this is very slippery.
Yeah,
I
very
would
slippery.
definitely have that in my closet.
So this will go past the knees And it's just a little fun piece that we saw, and we thought that, you know,
Yeah.
a lot of women ask for slips and stuff, but this is just a little skirt slip. So if you need it, if you have something that's a little more see-through,
Yeah.
or you want that extra layer, this
Yeah,
is very
that's
nice.
another thing.
It's almost spandexy.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that we started at a size 2. You want it fitted because
Right.
it's gonna, you know.
Yeah.
All right, so now into the little accessory that we
Fun,
got
fun.
in 6 different colors. This is so fun, ladies. This is a super cool,
I love
super fun
it.
necklace.
Tessa.
I know, very light. And at the top here, of course,
Oh, it weighs nothing.
nothing, right? You can undo it here. You could tie it in a bow if you like. I like just kind of just wrap it around and knot it,
Sure,
right?
sure.
And then you can have it long or short
Yeah.
is the key.
oh my,
And
what a
it's just
statement.
a very nice statement piece.
Love it.
That you can wear. Or you can bring it up here
Yeah,
and have it shorter.
yeah.
Just tie
And it
shorter
weighs
at the back.
nothing.
It weighs nothing.
And it is a
Um,
wower.
It's a wower.
Show the other colors.
These,
I can't
and
wait.
it's a bamboo knit,
yeah,
from
their
Boris.
signature bamboo knit.
red.
And what a nice,
I know.
it's their, you know, they have a nice red.
It's
It's a blue red.
blue red. Navy. Oh my God, I'm getting jumbled up here.
Navy, fantastic.
Navy, beautiful. Beautiful black too, or
Yeah,
white.
beautiful.
Super fun. So we're gonna style these up for you ladies tomorrow so you can see them on outfits. And then this is a beautiful print.
Ah,
Like,
that's
feel that.
Cute,
It's cool, eh?
Tessa.
I know.
Oh, that's really cool.
I know.
Yeah, I would
You could
even
even-
wear this on the stripe, you know, like to mix. To look how cool that is.
Yeah.
I love that.
That is cool.
Same colors, but totally different design.
And then you can have it super long or bring it up short, which is super fun. And then their classic stripe,
Is that a navy?
black.
Black.
Black with white.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and then we have their dresses, like we're
Yeah.
going to be bringing in the spring that have this fabric. So this would be fabulous over
The
that.
long.
The long dresses, you know, and then we wear the little wraps with them. We're going to curate some outfits for you lovelies from Boris coming in the spring, and then black, classic. So I'm going to put on the classic black
Yeah.
because I feel like it's going to be perfect. for
Oh
this
yeah,
outfit.
with that dress.
I know.
Yeah.
So let me
Love
just
it,
get
love it,
myself
love it.
situated here, but
Yeah.
I'll give you an idea of how that can fit and
Oh,
fall
I love it.
into your wardrobe.
Yeah. That's
you
beautiful,
go.
Tessa.
Is it cool?
You look like a tropical bird.
You're so funny.
I want to do a
You already
shout
said
out.
that.
I
Yeah.
want to do a shout out to my friend Shirley, who left yesterday for Panama for 3.5 weeks. She's a birder. And
I wonder if
that's
she's
all
going to watch the
gonna do.
videos while she's there.
She always watches.
Shirley,
the videos.
let us know. Put a
Shirley.
comment in.
And send us pictures.
I said, well,
Score.
she messaged me the other day, and she said she was leaving, and I said, can you take a picture of your favorite bird?
Yeah, she
She's
will.
hoping to
And I will
see
share
you.
it with you.
Yeah.
It's amazing birds she sees, and she's
She-
very
she's-
knowledgeable.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Bye,
All right,
Shirley.
lovely. Yeah, Shirley, let us know. I'm so excited. That's such a great trip. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to be here to style this up. Cannot wait. Give you some ideas. But as you can see, these are great classic basics in your wardrobe that you can, you know, miles. And then what do we have else this week? Oh, yeah, we have some Liverpool coming in. And then we're going to do our Friday favorites. We'll see where we're going.
It's on me this time.
Yeah. All right, ladies, if you enjoyed the video, please hit a thumbs up. We love to hear your comments as well. And
As always, keep on smiling.